way that these guys build these things. It's really nice and really refreshing to see a company like this take an old vehicle and do what they do to it. Taking something old and turning it into something completely new and something, you know,
something better.
Something better.
Yeah.
Not one person was not smiling
Exactly.
the whole tour. This is my first drive in one,
okay.
And I think I got spoiled a little bit.
You've been spoiled.
Because they usually don't have an LS in it, and it doesn't have, you know, that growl and the performance that this thing has. I was really surprised that it handled really, really well.
The nice thing is you've kind of got something like this, which sounds like a Defender really shouldn't sound like, but in a good way.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a pleasant surprise.
Yeah. I love how you sit in there and it's got that growl, right?
Yeah.
And then you look around and it's like, it's tweed. You know, you've got all this tweed.
Gentleman's Asbo.
Yeah,
it?
exactly.
It's brilliant. But like you were saying, it's, you know, you've got all these really nice kind of modernizations of the vehicle. It's a true resto mod because it still retains its character.
Yeah.
It's still got the essence of a Land Rover. It's not lost its personality. In fact, I think it's gained some, and that's what I think makes Arkonik really good at what they do, and makes Hugo a really special vehicle.